All right, so we've removed the door from the car, and I had to snake out the wire, and I'll have to fit that in back. And this is the damaged door. Okay, so taking out the door, I had to wiggle out all the wiring harness for the door. A little bit of a pain in the ass to get that out, but that's done. This is the door, the old door. I'm still gonna have to take out the mirror and the glass. Still some cabling here that I need to take out, and this sensor, whatever that is. Probably ABS crash sensor. Fortunately, the impact wasn't that deep enough to hit that sensor. And transplant everything here. So the question is whether I do a lot of the transplanting first, then mount it, or mount it first and do the transplanting. I think maybe I might do some of the transplanting, like the window stuff. The car actually came with this dismantled, so I'm not really sure how or where it goes, but I'm just gonna try and figure it out. Okay, bye. So it's mounting time, but first thing to do is to try and snake in the wires. Once the wires are all in, then I would mount it in the door. Let's have a look at the door. Looks really good. All done. Well, not all done. Most of it done. I just need to put the speakers and the door panel on the inside, but it's yep. Looking good.